In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App Please Try Again Later. If you're getting a Please Try Again Later message on Cash App, here are some possible fixes. Number one is you want to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try to switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if the issue persists. So currently I'm on Wi-Fi, but you guys could obviously go ahead and switch to mobile data or Wi-Fi as well. And in general, you just want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is in good condition. So if your Wi-Fi is not in good condition, that is going to be causing the issue and you won't be able to go ahead and actually log into Cash App. I also recommend that you guys close the Cash App application and then open it again once you are done, because that typically gets the job done. You guys could also go ahead and restart your phone to clear any temporary glitches. You guys could also go ahead and restart your phone to get rid of any temporary glitches. And the next thing you want to do is you want to check that your Cash App application is up to date. So you want to go to the App Store if you're on iOS, or you want to go to the Google Play Store if you're on Android, and check to see if there's an update available for Cash App. So I'm personally on Android, so I would go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Then I'll go to the search bar and then just look up Cash App just like so. And then we need to go ahead and press on this option right over here. And yep, as you're able to tell, it is actually up to date. So we are good to go. Another thing you want to do is you want to verify your Cash App account. So if you're having trouble sending money, your account might need verification. So to do this, all you want to do is you want to open up Cash App. Then you want to go to the profile icon over here towards the top right. And over here, it might ask you to verify your account. So if you haven't verified your account yet, here is where you would go ahead and do it. And while we're here, another thing that could be causing this issue is your payment method. If you're getting the error while making a payment, try using a different debit/credit card or bank account. So to do this, we could just go ahead and select on linked banks over here, and you guys could link a debit card or link a bank. And basically you want to make sure that whatever payment method you're using is actually valid, is actually working, and that there is actually funds inside of that account. You want to make sure it's not expired or anything like that. Now, sometimes if Cash App detects suspicious activity on your account, it may temporarily block transactions. So I recommend that you guys wait a few hours or contact Cash App support. So in order to do that, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right, select on your profile picture one more time, and then you want to go ahead and look over here to where it says support, press on that, and then from there you guys are able to go ahead and chat with the Cash App customer support right over here, and you want to explain your situation, because sometimes that actually does happen. Now, if you've done everything and nothing is working so far, then what I recommend that you guys do as sort of a last resort is actually reinstall the Cash App application. So uninstall the application and then install it again on the Google Play Store or the App Store. And that should be able to get the issue fixed. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.